Hello everybody. I wanted to let you know I haven't forgot to make videos or anything. I made this pretty flower. I just love it. And as you can see, I'm working on my candelabra. And so you can tell what color it is. It's not the color I intended. It's going to be a weird video with plan A, plan B, plan C, because I just couldn't get it to look the way I wanted it to look. But it'll be a good video, so keep an eye out for that. But I just wanted to show you this. I'll probably make a video making one of these. And the stuff I have on the bottom, I just had burlap handy to put in the center. It's big old fat yarn that I got at Walmart. Big fat fuzzy yarn. And I had started looping them, and I didn't like that look, so I just cut the loops out. But then I had to go in and fill the blank areas. I guess I didn't have to. And I worked in some little shapes of that stuff. And oh, this, it's the white stuff. I had another video that wasn't all chopped up, and I was going to use it on another flower and didn't like it, and so I put it on this one and just chopped it up. And let's see, I got some more fat. Oh, these are some pink napkins I got at the thrift store. I put on there, and I put some in the center, and then I put the little pearls on it. And it's so soft and pretty. I just love it. And right here, this is just where I cut the trim off the napkins. And I just stuck the long pieces in there, and that's some trim off of that fabric. Got another piece of that, so, oh, right there. You know, you can just stick whatever you want in them. And I'd seen a lady who used a bathroom rug, and maybe I can remember to put a link if I can find her video, instead of like yarn. You know, I'd been thinking of something fuzzy, and I saw her video and I thought, wow, you know, that's that's a good idea. But the only thing I had that I wanted to destroy was yarn. And it's it's about as big around as my finger. And I think that's the off-white. Or cream. I don't know. Let me check right quick. I might find the label. Okay. I had these two yarns. They're both kind of fluffy. Chunky, I noticed on the label. So I don't know much about how they gauge yarn. So I'm going to show you both labels. Oh, goodness. Okay. And they were both from Walmart. That one is the 5.3 ounce, 150 gram. And let's see. This one is 8 ounce, 226 gram. Well, 226.8. So it's probably this one. So, that's what I used. And let me know if you want to see a video of me making one like this. And if I ever finish that candelabra, maybe I'll get around to doing that. But anyway, I think it's beautiful. Thanks for watching, and hit the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe, and you can watch some of my crazy crafting. And thanks again.